Hi, dears. This is Pavitra, and you're watching Pavi's Intellect. Today's topic is about saving the environment to save life. It is no hidden fact. Our environment is affected largely due to human activities. It is facing threat at an alarming rate. Our environment is where we live. There must be harmony between the environment and living beings. But in the present scenario, due to overpopulation, the environment is overexploited to meet human needs. It is because of many human activities that all are not able to maintain a healthy balance with nature. We cannot afford to harm the environment any longer. In today's modern world, our planet Earth is affected significantly. However, if we want to live in harmony with nature, we cannot put the entire pressure on the environment. Living beings, for their survival, depend completely on the natural and man-made environment. But it is impossible to live without the resources that the atmosphere provides. In such a situation, it becomes critical to save Mother Nature from getting overexploited due to increasing population. These threats are real and have raised an alarming situation. We need to come together to save our environment. This topic, saving nature, throws light on why it is needed by mankind to protect and preserve the environment. Our environment offers everything from clothing, water, food to shelter. All living beings are the part of the ecosystem. Hence, it becomes our responsibility to take care of the natural habitat. Environmental pollution is one of the biggest issues that the modern world faces today. The soil is losing its fertility, and in most places, soil pollution makes it difficult to grow crops. Even the air and water pollution is the effect of mass urbanization and industrialization. Environment problems are also the result of vast technological advancement in the last few years. High tension wires and mobile phone towers are the main reason for electromagnetic radiation. As per the studies of ornithologists, the birds may be killed over decades if radiation keeps affecting them. The overuse of resources to build IT infrastructure is responsible for the loss of natural environment. However, the early signs of the upcoming destruction are visible, like the harsh weather conditions, increased carbon dioxide emissions, melting of glaciers, etc. Therefore, controlling pollution and saving environment is the need of the hour. This still gets neglected by us. We can make our earth better place to live rather than complaining about pollution. Such small steps must be taken to make our environment sustainable by using renewable energy, by planting trees, by throwing garbage in the dustbin, by avoiding usage of plastic bags, etc. Let us all do what we can to save our environment and preserve our resources for future generations. Then only we can have green earth to live in. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. Please do save earth, save yourself. With that, quitting my chat. Thank you for watching.